Alright viewers, today I'll be showing you how you can move around on your MT4 platform. So first thing you want to do is, if you've not downloaded it yet, you go to your Play Store, or if you are an iPhone user, just go to your App Store, your Apple Store. So and just type MT4. You can see MT4 Trader 4, MT4 Trader 4 Android. Click on that. But if you're an iOS user, just go for your version. So you see it has brought it out already. So mine is saying update because I already have it, so meaning I should update the app, but I'm not going to be updating that now. So but what you do is you click on the download and it starts downloading. Once it's done downloading, it installs. Once it has installed, open the app and put in your login details. I already showed you how to do that in the previous video. So if you've not watched the previous video and you don't know how to do this, just go and watch my previous video and you'll know how to do that. So once you've logged in with your demo accounts that you've created, now the next thing you want to do is to customize this quotes area. So you see this area where this is where you see your currency pairs that are going to be trading. All your currency pairs are going to be listed there. But you see all these pairs here, you do not want to trade any of these. I don't advise you to trade any of these. Not even professional traders do not really trade these pairs, because I told you in like 2 videos ago that the spread is very important. Now look at some of these pairs, look at their spread. This one spread is 2,300, and can you imagine? That is just too much. Look at this one, is 959. This is just too wide. So you need to customize. Now we'll take away all of these currency pairs and put in the ones that we want to use. So click on this plus sign here and go to Forex 3. So we're going to be adding AUD USD. We're going to also be adding Euro USD and GBP USD. Those are the currency pairs we'll be adding. Then go to spot metals, add gold. So you've successfully added those now. So what you need to do now is click on this pencil sign here and then click on this delete sign. So what it's going to do now is that it will now make you to be able to highlight what you want to delete. So highlight all these currency pairs that we do not want. So just mark all of them, click on them and delete. So once you've deleted it, now you're left with only the ones you chose. So and then you can move this in the way you want. So I like my Euro USD to be on top, and because it's my most traded currency pair. So then you go back. So that is how you customize this your currency codes area. So you can see that these ones, they have smaller spreads. So and you see 18, 16, 625 and 42 for gold. Gold is still quite wide, and that's because of this particular broker we are using. There are brokers that offers you more tighter spreads that you can even get up to like 10, you get 5, you get tighter spreads like that. But this particular broker, you can see this is the kind of spread that they offer. So now let's now go to the next thing, which is your chart area. Now you can see this chart area here. You can see this is not how your own chart will look like. So but how to make it look like this, go to your settings area. So you want to make sure this advanced mode is clicked, and this other sound you can choose not to click it, you can choose to if you want. So and on that chart, go to this line type, make sure you click on candlesticks, then OHLC, make sure it is clicked. And the next thing you want to make sure is clicked is show trade levels. Make sure independent charts is clicked. Make sure show period separators is clicked. Also now this ask price line, make sure it is clicked. You have to make sure it's clicked. So because if it's not clicked, look at how my chart is going to look like. You can see now that this price line here is just the red that is here now because it is not clicked. But if we go back to the settings and we put and we put the ask price line back, you see now it's no longer the red that is just there, it's now the red and the blue. So let's go back to our settings. So it's very important you have those two on your chart. Then to your colors, so in this color section you can choose how you want your candlesticks to look like, how you want your background to see. This is where I chose my background to be black, so, and you can choose all of that here. So, and that is all about your settings. That is all about your settings. So let's go back to our currency code section. So now let me now show you how you can place trades using this MT4 platform. Go to this section down here and choose this one that looks like an arrow. Now once you've opened that, you see this plus sign here, click on it. This is where you are going to be able to place your trades, and you see the sell option here and you see the buy option here. So you will basically be clicking on sell if your prediction is that market will be going down, and you basically be clicking on buy if your prediction is that market will be going up. Like for instance, if you've looked at the chart and you can see now this chart is actually going down. As you can see, it's moving in the downward direction. So if your prediction is that market will stop going down and will start going up, so you can click on buy. But if it is that it will continue going down, you click on sell. And how are you going to be able to know where it's going to go up or down? That is where your trading strategy comes in. So, and I'll be doing some videos to show you the kind of strategy you can use that's going to assure you some wins in the forex market. So let's go back to here, this place now. So once you are here, one thing you're going to need to do is set your lot size. So my lot size is on 1.00 right now, so you can set it. But as a new trader, I advise you that you use a lot size of 0.01 as a start. So put it on 0.01. By the way, to do that, just click on this minus 0.1 that you see here that is in blue on the left side. So click on that and click on it till it gets to 0.01. So then you can place a trade as you want. So, and then if you want a sale or you want a buy, so, and I'll be showing you how you can set your take profit and how you can set your stop loss as well, but that will not be in this video. So yeah, I think that is all that you need to know for now on the MT4 platform on how to place your trades. Alright, yeah, so if this video has been helpful for you and you've learned something from this video, I want you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so that when I release my next set of videos, you'll be one of the first set of people that's going to be informed that I have released a video. So thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.